Today, I will be talking about a YouTube monetization strategy that's different from other monetization techniques you know. For a teaser, my screenshot here shows how many views my website sent over to my YouTube channel, increasing views on my videos with engaged viewers and earning more YouTube ad revenue. This screenshot shows you how many views I got to my blog or website last month. Both the blog and channel complement each other, as each platform sends engaged traffic to the other and vice versa, increasing views and earnings for both platforms. Affiliate links do really well on blogs as people tend to click those more on websites, so you can really amplify your earnings. I also failed to mention Google Search and YouTube are both the #1 and #2 search platforms in the world. Google owns YouTube, and Google loves to suggest YouTube videos in Google Search. You get the best of both worlds. Now, let's dive into 5 major benefits of having a blog to complement your video. In addition, I'll cover my real results and share them with you. Things such as traffic from my website to YouTube and my blog traffic stats. So number 1, more quality views and subs. The first benefit is more YouTube views. Let me explain and show you. So both platforms complement each other. Google likes to suggest YouTube videos towards the top of Google search on the first page, the case with many Google searches nowadays. You can make a YouTube video on a certain topic, make a blog article on the same topic, then promote the YouTube link in the blog article and vice versa. As you can see, this is what I do on my gaming blog. I promote my YouTube gameplay tutorial in my content article, and viewers will click my YouTube link to watch. This also acts as a viewer vetting tool as well, because only the most engaged viewers will watch this video. Enjoying this content? Please like and subscribe to stay notified of future videos. Thank you so much. Number 2, more ad revenue on both YouTube ads and Google blog ads. So going with my first example, quality viewers from my blog are clicking on my YouTube videos and watching. More views equals more money from YouTube ads. If your blog is also monetized and showing Google ads on the content, your viewer is being shown ads twice, because there are display ads on your blog and the YouTube ads in your video. Here's my revenue that my blog made me the last 28 days. Some months it does better than others, especially around the holidays. What creators fail to realize is Google's ad CPM and content ads revenue sharing percentage is higher than YouTube's ad CPM and revenue sharing. Google shares 68% of content ads revenue with monetized blog owners. YouTube is only 55%. When Shorts become monetized in 2023, the Shorts program will only ad share 45%, which is even lower. In addition, my gaming blog had 16,000 clicks the last 28 days and made $66. Quick math suggests that I have a CPM of $4 on my gaming blog. Now on my YouTube gaming channel, I had 65,000 views the last 28 days and my ad revenue was only $80, which equals $1.27 CPM. My blog is making over double the amount of ad revenue that my gaming channel is with 4 times less views, which is insane to me, and many YouTube creators don't know this. Having your blog link in your YouTube video, you will also send your YouTube viewer to your blog, so they are being shown Google ads on your blog, which is doubling your money. Bonus if you have affiliate links on your blog, which is translating to even more revenue opportunities. Number 3, higher YouTube video retention rates and watch time. When your blog sends viewers to your video, there's a high chance that these viewers are laser focused. They are clicking your video from your blog, which means that they really must be engaged with your content and looking for answers from your video or more information. This will obviously increase your retention and watch times, and in turn, YouTube could reward your video with higher search positions or suggest your video in the browse features, increasing views even further. As you can see, there's a beautiful snowball effect that happens when you complement your YouTube channel with a blog. Number 4, repurpose already made YouTube script content into blog content. Do you already have YouTube videos, scripts for those videos? Then you already have content for your blog. You just need to reword them. Perhaps add another section or more details in a few sections to make the blog content unique from your video. Google doesn't like copied content. So if your YouTube video script and blog article are word for word, that can actually spell trouble for both your channel and blog. The best part is you already have content written out, just repurpose it and make it unique. Then you can post the article to your blog. And number 5, faster channel and blog growth, building authority. The last major benefit here is that you will be growing faster with both your YouTube channel and your blog. If you are in this for the long term, which you really should be, you'll be creating an authority blog and authority channel that complement each other. So as Google starts to pick up your blog in their Google search, you are gaining new viewers from Google search and YouTube search suggestions. Hand in hand, you should experience faster growth on both verticals. So in conclusion, creating a blog or website to complement your YouTube channel will result in more revenue and more views, and it's probably the best thing that you can do. If you enjoyed this, please leave your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next video.